The Storm Audio ISR Fusion 20. This unit's been out for 8 months now, and it's rightfully winning acclaim from reviewers and integrators worldwide. With 20 channels of decoding and 16 channels of onboard amplification, it's a powerhouse of a receiver, delivering the same clarity from separates into a receiver, only 4U high thanks to its multi-rail power supply. The Storm Fusion 20 is capable of delivering 150 watts at 8 ohm, 300 watts at 4 ohm, and is also bridgeable up to a 500 watt power delivery into a 4 ohm load. This is all delivered by high quality ICE power modules, and this receiver can even run your subwoofers on the bridge channels, saving both cost and rack space for those more compact installs. The Fusion 20 has industry-leading processing quality with all your favourite surround sound formats like Dolby Atmos, Auro 3D and DTS:X Pro, and it even offers IMAX enhanced video decoding. The Fusion 20 boasts Dirac active room treatment, something that as of the recording of this video is still unique to Storm Audio products. You can calibrate your system using Dirac Live over the network, meaning no more long, messy cables back to the rack. It couldn't be easier to get the absolute best out of your system with Storm. We also have the ability to reassign speakers via presets, which is a huge hit with integrators and end users, offering flexibility that no one other than Storm can do. You can even have a dedicated Dirac or manual calibration profile for each speaker preset. So with all of these features, it's hardly a surprise that the Storm Fusion is picking up awards, solidifying Storm Audio as a market leader for the highest quality processing and amplification. Some of the awards that the unit's picked up are AV Forum's Best in Class, StereoNet Applause Award, and a whole host of rave reviews from around the world. We have the Fusion 20 on active demo at our showroom facility here in Basingstoke. This unit's running our M&K Sound IW150 theatre, and using the bridgeable amplification is also running our dual 15-inch in-wall M&K subwoofers. Please come and have a listen for yourself, you really do need to hear this. We have a loan unit available for testing, so please get in touch with your account manager today. Other than that, see you in the next one.